Today we are going to discuss about the mail merge, how we can merge Excel file along with the Word file. So first of all, I would like to show you my Excel file where I have marks of all the students along with their percentage, attendance, remarks, and apart from this, I have an email ID also of all the students so that I can send directly a report card to all the students. So we are going to discuss two things today. We will do mail merge using PDF or directly we can send send report card through mail. So as you can see my Excel file, there is no header on the top apart from this serial number, admission number. There should not be any row above this. So this is how your file should look like. And now I have to close this Excel file because I have to use this for mail merging. So let me close this file. Now this is my report card where I am going to merge my Excel data. For this, let me show you this report card first. This is a report card and we will start with the mail merging. So first of all, you will select this option, mailing. Click here. Then you will get first option, start mail merge. Select this option. Select letters from here. Then select recipients. Use an existing list. Now you can select your Excel file which you have created. So I have my Excel file on the desktop and let me open my file. And my file name is 11th marks. Now, if there are multiple sheets, you can select one particular sheet जिसके साथ आपने merge करना है. I have only one single sheet in my Excel, so I'm going to select this sheet. I will click on OK. Now, when you will see this insert merge field, there's a drop down arrow. If you will click here, you will find so many fields are there which was there in your Excel file. So one by one, we are going to merge all the fields here. Please do the formatting simultaneously in this Word file. So first of all, click on this insert merge field. We have to select student name first. See, student name is coming. After that, it should be in bold. So let me do it here. Control B. Then I want Control E for centralize the data. Select the father's name. Control B. Again, now I want admission number. Admission number will be here. This is my admission number. Control E and roll number. I would like to display here. So for roll number, I will select serial number from here. Now, time to enter marks. So I will select this option English here. Select the option English from here. Then we have maths. Same way, physics. Why this merge field is coming, that I will tell you. Merge field. Then chemistry. And the last one is I have computer science. Now I want to display total marks here. For that, again, I will click on this, select the option total from here. Now, here I am going to merge these two rows. Right mouse click on merge option. And then you can select attendance from here. Now, in attendance, as we have seen, it was showing so many decimal numbers after 0. So to avoid all those things, I pressed Alt F9. before I started this mail merging, I already done Alt F9. So if you will merge any two rows or two columns, in that case, after merging two rows or two columns, then press Alt F9. As soon as you will press Alt F9, this merge field option will come everywhere with all the fields. So now after attendance, after this field name, I will use slash, then hash 0.00. Now, if you want to give some remarks for that, again, Control E to centralize the data. Select this insert merge field, select your remarks from here. And now, if you want to add principal signature or class teacher signature, you can add that also. Then we can have here date, result date. Let it be, let's take the 152021, and I can reduce some size from here so that it should not come in the second page, because I don't want to display my second page. So now it's coming on in one page. So I've reduced the size of remarks. You can reduce attendance size also, attendance field also, anything. Now, I think I have all the details entered. Let me recheck once again. I've taken student names, father's name, roll number, admission number, all the marks, attendance, remarks, and if you want, you can add signature here. After entering all the information and signatures, enter email ID if you have any, if you want to display an email ID. And now it's time to merge. Now we are going to use two different methods. First of all, I would like to send all the reports card directly to my students as an attachment. So I will not send all the report cards because I am using my email ID. So I will get all the reports cards in my email ID. So I will use only first three records. So for this, click on finish and merge, click on send email message. Before you will send mail to someone directly from here, your Outlook Express setting should be there in your computer. Only in that case, you will be able to send data. Now, we'll select this option, email ID. It was there in my Excel file where I entered my email ID, and I have entered two teachers' email ID also. Now, I can give any message here, like I'm writing here report card sample, or yes, sample I can write here, report card sample. I want to send as an attachment. So you have different option, but you are going to select this option, attachment. Then select the option, because right now I want to send only 3 report cards, because rest everything will come in my inbox. So it is of no use. 1, 2, 3. I want to send only 3 mail. So I will click on OK. It will display one pop-up box. So where I will click on allow access, and I will click on allow. Because it's asking for the permission whether you want to send data directly from here to through mail, Outlook Express. So that's why it's asking for the permission. So this will take some time. So if you are sending 3 mails, or so in 3 times it will ask you. So you can press allow, 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 and then that's it. It's over. Now I think it's not asking anymore. So I can show you my Outlook Express. See, there are 3 mails in my out box. So report card sample was my subject, and you can just do your work and it will automatically, it will take some time and then it will reach. See, it's going here. If you can see my status bar is showing sending and receiving. So it's totally depend on your internet connection. Accordingly, it will send you data. Now, later on, you can check your email IDs. You will find in sent items, you will find all these reports cards are there. Right now, it's there in the output box because I have done the formatting of Outlook Express. That's why it's showing here in Outlook Express. Same thing can be opened with the Gmail also. But if you want to use mail merge along with the email option, then Outlook setting is compulsory. So it's taking time. Till then we can start with the PDF work. So let me open my Word file again. And now the last option was finish and merge. Now the second option we are going to start. I will click here. I will select this option, edit individual. Now I can take some more report cards. I can say 1 to 10. If you have 40 students, you can directly write 1 to 40, or you can select this option all. So it's up to you. You can select all, or you can give some numbers also. You can starting point to ending points. And because I don't want all 39 report cards, so I am writing here 1 to 10. Then click on OK, and one new Word file will create where you will find all 10 report cards are there. Yeah, this is my new file. And if you can see on the status bar is showing 1 of 5. Now 1 of 7. It means it's compiling, and it will take some time, and then it will convert all your report cards. So after that, you can save this file in your in PDF format, and then we are going to convert in, or we are going to split all these files. See, now it's showing 1 of 10 means my Word file is ready with 10 report cards. Now I'm talking about my Word file, but right now it's in Word. We have to convert it into PDF. This is your second method. First method we have already done through email. So let me show you all 10 report cards here. All these are my 10 report cards. My 10 report cards are ready. So now I'm going to save this file. So for this, I will click on File, click on Save As option, select your folder where you want to save your file. So I'm selecting my day 3 option, and here you can write your file name. So I'm writing here report card, and from save as type, you can select the option PDF and then click on save. So this will again take few seconds, and it will convert it into C. If you can see, my folder is showing here report card in PDF format. But there are 10 report cards, and we can't send these 10 report cards to all students. So we have to convert, we have to split the 10 report cards. So for that, there is a website called I Love you can open browser and type ilovepdf.com/split_pdf. Or the second option is you can open browser and type split PDF online. So you will get first or second option, you will get the same website name. You can select this option. This page will appear. Then click on this select PDF. This dialog box will appear. You can select your file. I have my file on the desktop, so I will select desktop option. In desktop, my folder name is peer-to-peer. I can select this option, day 3, and then I can select my report card. Click on open, And now if you can see my page, on the right hand side of my page, it's showing extract pages. So I will select this option, extract pages. Then I will select again, extract all pages. And then click on split PDF. This will take time again. And now click on download split PDF. Now click on download split PDF. If you can see my bottom of the page, left bottom of the page. Now click on this upper arrow key. Select the option show in folder. After extracting, you will find this kind of folder. If you will double click this folder, you will find 10 files are there. Answer roll number wise, 10 different report cards are there. Now, if you want to send it manually through your Gmail account, you can do that. So this is your first report card. So now this way you can do your mail merging, and this will save your time also. So I hope it's clear to everyone. Thank you, everyone.